guys, welcome back to my channel. So like the sign says, if you don't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, Choices with Sally. So this video is going to be the unboxing for the Spiritu summer box. The art design for this box was by Barbie Bergioni. I can't pronounce her name, but I said it wrong. I know I totally butchered it. I will put her information down below. It says right here, Barbie Bergioni. And the illustration was by her, and the design was by Francis Marie. It says right there. I never even noticed it was on the box. So I love this. This is so summer. The summer hat, the sun hat, being practically naked with a leaf. Yeah, so if you don't know what the Spiritu box is, it is a curated seasonal box. So it's 4 times a year for $39.99. I will put a link down below if you want to get the box. It is to support Latina entrepreneurs. I am Latina, so of course I'm going to go for it, but you don't have to be Latina to get a box. It is women supporting women, and I think that is an amazing cause. And they also have causes that they showcase. But this box I'm very excited about. I will put a link down for all the other summer all the other Spiritu boxes that I've gotten. This is their 4th box in total. They're a very brand new subscription, so this is my 3rd box because I didn't get the first box because I was like, I think I missed out when, like, I was too late when the first box came up, and I don't know what happened. I found out about it by their 2nd box. So yeah, I wish I got the first box, but didn't get it because I had a cute little bag that said MySpiritu. Anyways, let's get into this box. All right, so open it up. That's what it looks like. It says summer box. This box was designed by Puerto Rican Boriqua. That's right, I forgot to say. Oh, look at how pretty it is. Sorry, I'm keeping this box. I keep like all the boxes. Artist Barbie Bergioni. I feel like I'm saying it like with an Italian accent. It sounds like an Italian accent, but whatever. And it's filled with over $135 of beauty, lifestyle, and artisanal products from some of our favorite brands. Barbie is, in her own words, Puerto Rican by blood, an artist by nature, and is known for her art, photography, and fashion. Barbie recently left New York City to return to her roots in Puerto Rico. The painting is a self-portrait inspired by one of her travels to the Dominican Republic, my other half, because I'm Puerto Rican and Dominican, just saying, and represents Barbie as a proud woman from the Caribbean. I knew I was, guys, I knew I was gonna love this box, but now I love this box even more. I need to stop. I need to be stopped. So you can learn more about her on her Instagram. Alright, Spiritu is a platform for women to shop, connect, and be inspired. Members can feel good knowing that when they subscribe to the Spiritu box or make a purchase in the Spiritu shop, they are also helping us support and empower Latina entrepreneurs, creators, and community organizations. Thank you for being a part of our amazing community. Help us spread the word, the love, by sharing Spiritu with your friends and followers, which I am. You're gonna hashtag MySpiritu. You can follow them on Instagram. Yes. So this is the booklet to show you everything that's inside and the price. I'm gonna hold on to that so we can see the prices as we go along. The next is a coupon for Murad. It is 25% off. If you use Spiritu 25, you get 25% off. So there you go. So I'm excited because I know Murad is going to be in here. This is the two. And on my phone, I got from one of the boxes. I think it was a winter box. It was the 2 pop socket, and it matches my case perfectly. I didn't even mean for this to happen. It just happens. But yeah, so I love this pop socket. I had to change my phone case to this one, so this had fallen off because of my son, so I super glued it on. Yeah. All right, so let's get into this. I hate always breaking them. I don't know why. I'm so nervous. Roll that up. Alright, so the first thing, guys, so my favorite color is green, and I'm like really excited that they sent this to me in green. Do they watch me? Are you guys watching me? This is so cute. Okay, so every box has artisanal product made from a country. The first one was Colombia. It was a bracelet. The second one was a keychain that I use a lot from Peru. And the next thing is a cute baggie to put all the stuff that we got in our Spiritu box. And it is made in Mexico. Malinalli art you can wear. So that's the artist. You can follow them at Malina. Oh. You can pause and read and follow them there on their Instagram. Okay. So sourced from Mexico. Mexico. Woo-hoo-hoo. I've been to Mexico. It's really nice. Okay, Spiritu is excited to Spiritu is excited to feature this colorful bag handmade by a family of artisans in Chiapas, Mexico. We are proud to support these artisans through Malinalli. I'm reading this wrong. Malinalli, because two L's make a J sound. I'm like, my Latino card is being revoked at this moment in time. Art you can wear, a Los Angeles based brand founded by Mexican entrepreneur Verdiana Odriozola. Malinalli's main purpose is to bring Mexican culture, crafts, and authentic creations to life through its colorful and unique products. Can you just go there, read that if you want to reread, because I obviously did a horrible job at that. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. So that's that. Very excited about that bag. This bag is worth $20. It's really nice. Guys, you have no idea how excited I am with green, and orange is my color for this year. I don't know, I've been wanting to wear so much orange, but I haven't bought orange, but now I have to, and I'm going on vacation, so I'm definitely taking this with me. Alright, so the next thing, another green labeled thing, is this Dove body wash mousse with coconut oil. Oh, also perfect for shaving. Concentrated 2 times use. 2 times you use. Oh, scratch and smell. Oh, perfect. I don't have to open it. Oh my god, that is delicious. Oh, too bad it's not a carry-on size, because I'm not checking in a bag when I go to Jamaica. I'm going to carry on. It's only 4 days, so I feel like I can carry everything I need. Alright, so immerse yourself in a cloud of rich, creamy lather with coconut oil and indulge in nourishing shower like never before. Instant relief from dry skin feel, 100% gentle cleanse, paraben free, sulfate free, suitable for showering and shaving, dermatologist tested. Shake well, press for instant lather, shower and rinse off easily, also suitable for shaving. Oh my god. And guys, it smells delicious. Alright, first item going in this bag. Doesn't really fit, but it's going in here. The next thing that I have, yes, it is this Clinique Pretty Eyes liquid eyeliner pen. Okay, the only reason why I'm saying yes is because in the spring box they gave us the Clinique mascara, and I'm the kind of person that kind of likes to have sets, like, you know, name brand, like if it's a brand, like, so I'm very excited for this. I'm also excited for the bath wash, because they gave us like a hair mask that was also Dove, so now it's like Dove. Oh, the prices, that would help. Okay, so the Dove body wash was $5.99, which is Dove, and the Clinique eyeliner is $11. Oh, that's not bad. I like that they put some products that are like kind of affordable, so you can go and get it. So the next thing is okay. Oh, another thing from Clinique. This is tiny. Is a perfume spray. Is Clinique Happy. A hint of citrus, a wealth of flowers. Clinique Happy, a mix of emotions. Wear it and be happy. Okay, it's cute. Oh, this I can take with me. This is such a cute little bottle. Look at it. Let me spray some of that. Do it this way so you can see it. That is. See, I thought it was gonna be like weird because it said citrusy, but that is. It smells really good. It smells like very summer. Like, I actually like that. Look at you, Clinique. I didn't know that it has such a little tiny bottle. This is so cute. And this is like, and I like that it's a squirt one. All right, so that goes in the bag. Oh, that is $5.50. All right, that is a reasonable price for that. Oh, the next thing that I'm excited for is this Murad Hydration Refreshing Cleanser. Removes impurities without over drying and helps soften skin. Creamy foamy cleanser washes away surface impurities and makeup without over drying. Cucumber extract and Hawaiian white ginger help soften and smooth skin. To use AM and PM, massage over damp skin and neck, rinse and pat dry. Avoid eye contact. Dermatologist develops. Mine's is kind of like not sealed, and it's like has, what is that? Crumbs from something. Interesting. Alright, let's open it up. Hydrate. It says hydrate and have a good day on the little box. Oh, it has a seal. That's a good thing. Let's open this, peel this back a little bit. I kind of just want to smell it. I think someone on my nose now. Okay. It smells delicious. Murad is a really, really good brand, so I'm really excited that this was in the box. It's also a kind of pricey brand. I'm kind of nervous to see how much this costs. Let's see. It says it's $39. The Murad Refreshing Cleanser is $39, guys. $39. Alright. The next thing it is, excited for, is a candle. That smells so good. It's Daniel Stone and Spiritu right there. White tea ginger root. This smells delicious. Oh, and I like that it's one of those like fabric wicks. This smells so good. One light, one opportunity. Light for Life calls an Light for Life Cause and Exceptional Children's Foundation have entered into a unique partnership that offers dignified jobs to adults with developmental disabilities through the manufacturing of these beautiful candles and home fragrance products. Oh my god, that is so good. I love that. That I love. I love that. So if you want to reread what I just read, if you didn't understand that, but it helps give jobs to adults with disabilities. And yes, I can't talk more about that. Okay. Oh, that candle costs $45. That's the one that's Daniel Stone times with Spiritu limited edition candle. It was a limited edition candle, so that's cool. Alright, and the last but not least is a turquoise Brazilian Agate candle holder. This is so cute. And again, green. They have to know me. Did I say that I like green? Like when you have to fill out the information? I don't know. But so excited. And that costs $12. So that's everything in this box, correct? Yes, yeah. So we get the candle holder for $12. This candle that supports an amazing cause for $45. This Murad, I don't know what that is on my thing. Okay, Murad face cleanser that is $39. This Dove body wash that smells like coconut heaven, $5.99. This Clinique eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, I think it was $11. And this really cute little perfume from Clinique, which smells honestly amazing. Like, I'm kind of getting nostalgia. It smells like something like from my childhood. It was like I had like a perfume that kind of smelled like this. This smells like more of the adult version of it. I don't know. But this was, I think, $5 and change. Messed up my lipstick. And then last but not least, this beautiful, beautiful bag that's $20, and it was handmade from artisans in Mexico with this cute little orange tassel. And that was everything that was in my MySpiritu summer box. So that was everything that was in the MySpiritu summer box. If you would like to get your box, I will put again the link down in the description so you can get this box and put a little bit more information, more in detail of everything and about the artist and about the box and the causes that are in this box. Like always, like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.